quick little video. I bought these about a week ago, somewhere around the beginning of the month. I think it was like the 4th or 5th. I just haven't gotten around to doing a short little video on them. Craftsman Max Series 3/8 drive T-handle set, and it's got the adjustable handle, which is nice for getting better grip. It is part number 950014. It's a 14-piece set. They're normally tested at 1700 RPMs. These are normally about $65 for this set, but the Sears that I always go to, which is the closest one to me, is about 50 miles from me, is going out of business. I guess the store got put on the list to close. So I picked this up for $32. And then I got these at Walmart. This is a 12-inch, quarter-inch shank quick connect for bits. It's a Black & Decker brand. I also got the 6-inch. And the 12-inch is part number B as in boy, A as in Anderson, X as in X-ray, 12. And the 6-inch is B as in boy, A as in Anderson, X as in X-ray, 11. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Oh, and please like, comment, and subscribe. You have a good day.